Hey everybody, how is it going? This is Ralph with a video, and I just wanted to share something, a change that I've decided to make in my business, a change that really makes a whole lot of sense and something I'm surprised I didn't think of a long, long time ago. But I don't know, you know what they say, you get old, you get stuck in your ways, you don't really want to make a whole lot of changes until, you finally wake up and decide it is time to get this started again. But one change that I've made is that for the longest time in my affiliate marketing, I was going after the niche of people who wanted to get started in home based business and online marketing. And I've had that niche for a long time. And it's just something where I really want to just share my experience with folks who are brand new in the home based business space and want to get some guidance, want to get a little bit of encouragement. And I thought, I've been in the home based business space since 2011, and I've been making a decent full time income from home based business since that time. And so I was just remembering what it was like for me when I first got started online. And that was really, for the longest time, the people that I wanted to reach out to. And what I've noticed over the years is that when you're reaching out to people in that particular niche, it's like you get a lot of folks that are curious, but they don't really want to pull the trigger quite yet. They want to kind of look around, kick the tires, see what you have to offer, but they're not really ready to jump in yet. And they'll make all kinds of excuses like, I would really like to get started and get that kind of training, get that kind of help, but can't afford 25 bucks a month to do it. And I mean, I know seems to some people, 25 bucks a month is nothing. It's like lunch money. To other people, $25 a month is a big investment. And I know when we first started our home based business back in 2011, we were in that boat. It's like, yeah, we were really living on a shoestring budget, and I was running a business on a shoestring budget. And the budget was so tight we could barely afford shoestrings. Literally, I was making my own shoestrings out of rope. Things were so tight. So I know where people are coming from when they say things like that. But still, it's kind of a more difficult niche to work with because you've got to find the people, and you've really got to, sometimes you've got to, let them know that you are legit, you are honest. Some folks are beyond skeptical, they are cynical when it comes to that. And it can be a very challenging niche to work with. And don't get me wrong, I am still working with that niche, but in addition to that niche, I have decided to switch my focus and just not be solely focused on people that want to get started in affiliate marketing, but looking for people who are already in affiliate marketing and need a little bit of help improving their game. Maybe they need better tools. Maybe they need better training. Maybe they need help in how to find people more effectively. Maybe they need some help in writing emails, marketing emails that are more persuasive, that have a little more oomph to it, more than just saying, hey, buy my product, buy my product, buy my product. And so I decided to kind of add that group to my marketing niche, essentially online marketers who maybe want or need help in becoming better online marketers, or are needing better online marketing tools and what they're working with. And I'm finding this is a easier group to work with because of one main factor. I'm finding that people in this group who are already doing some form of affiliate marketing or network marketing. They're a pretty easy group to find because you don't have to look for them. They will find you. And they've been finding me for the last few years. And for some reason, I never thought maybe this would be the perfect group for me to start working with. Instead, I would be thinking, hey, I don't really want to be sold. I don't need, your training. I've got my own. I really don't need to buy solo ads. I don't use that technique. I really don't need SEO optimization. I'm learning that in my own opportunity. And I was just very foolishly, for the last several years, closing my door to that particular niche. And then in one of our mastermind trainings that I attend in our home business academy, we were hearing from folks that were making sales by just using this very, very simple technique of going for the low-hanging fruit in affiliate marketing. And these were people who would be just starting out in online marketing, in affiliate marketing. And they would put that up on their Facebook page and just be identifying themselves as online entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, network marketer, however they wanted to word that, whatever their focus was going to be. And what happens when you do that on Facebook, and also to a lesser extent on X and also on LinkedIn, what happens is when you do that is that other affiliate marketers, other people that are trying to sell tools and programs for affiliate marketers, they will find you. And you will get just a flood of friend requests from people who want to sell you. Their funnel builders, their solo ads, their SEO optimization. They'll want you to get involved in their masterminds. And some of these masterminds, they can be quite expensive. Some of them are free. Some of them can be, pretty high ticket. But you got all kinds of people, all kinds of entrepreneurs that are wanting to sell you on their program. And if you decide to work with that niche, like I recently have, you don't have to worry about finding them. They will find you. All you have to do is just be patient with them. Because, they're going to try to sell you, but you just have to be patient and use what Max Steingart calls the sell the salesman technique. And that's where you just patiently, listen to what they have, listen to what they're doing, politely tell them no, but then ask a few questions. Like, how well are you doing in this business? Are you happy in this opportunity? What do you like best about your opportunity? And is there something that you don't like? And sometimes you can get these people to open up, especially if they're new. Especially if they're new, they haven't been doing well, they're already having some doubts, but they're trying to go after you to make a sale. If you just chat them up, eventually they will start saying things like, well, I've been in this for a while, not making very many sales, wished I could be doing better. And, I can always tell who's making sales in online marketing and who isn't by how aggressive they are. If they're super aggressive, if they just latch onto you like a bulldog, on a pant leg, then you know that they're hungry. And why are they hungry? Because they're not making very many sales and they're getting desperate. And sometimes it's this group of people that you can kind of flip. And instead of them selling to you, once they figure out that, you've got something that they're not getting in their other program, then, maybe you can present them with the tools and training that you have that they might need. Like in the Home Business Academy. That's my program that I'm in. we have a funnel builder that is just next level. And it's very beginner friendly. It's very simple to use. And it's not like your standard funnel builder where you can only use it to make sales funnels to sell your opportunity and anything else under the sun. Our funnel builder, you can also use it to create membership sites. You can use it to create blogs. I was looking at a blog site that one of our members made just this morning. And I thought, you made this with our funnel builder? That's pretty cool. I went ahead and joined her group to kind of teach me how to do more things with our funnel builder. But yeah, our funnel builder is so versatile. I've been using it for about a year and haven't tried half the stuff that you can really do with it. You can create membership sites. There's training in there for, creating your own affiliate program. If you really want to get, fancy and you're ambitious, you want to create your own affiliate marketing program, you can do that with our funnel builder. And after I found out all this stuff and saw the potential, I began to look at some of the people that were coming after me, wanting me to join their programs, wanting me to use their funnel builders and whatnot. It's like, I can tell that we've already got the superior product. So instead of just focusing only on beginners wanting to get started in online marketing, which our program, by the way, is a perfect match for that, because, we do a very good job of keeping the training on a beginner's level. But we also have trainings, we also have tools that people that have been in the online marketing space for a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, can still benefit from. I've been doing affiliate marketing now for, really since about 2013, 2014, around that time. And, I thought that I knew quite a bit about this, but I'm learning so much more from the Home Business Academy. So that's why I decided to kind of switch up my niche a little bit. I'm not going to be closing the door on working with newcomers and newbies, but instead I am opening the door to all the people that I used to be slamming the door shut on, namely the online marketers that want to sell me on their programs. And what I've learned is, it pays to be patient with people, let them talk about their product, let them talk about their business, whether I'm interested in it or not. Just let them present their sales pitch, and then just start asking a few questions. Like, how long have you been doing this? Are you getting good results? What do you love about this? What did you do before this? Just basically getting some background information, and then kind of think, is there something that I have that could actually help this person become a better marketer, become a better affiliate? And then if I think that I do have something that might help them become a better online marketer, I'm learning to, hey, invite them to a meeting. Ask them, do you want to see a video? Would you like to look at my link? We've got this product. Would you like to take a look? And just extend the invitation. But yeah, what I've decided to do after years of essentially just closing the door on online marketers and affiliate marketers that were trying to sell me on their stuff, I've decided I'm going to make that my second niche. And so, yeah, I'm switching it up. I'm still going to be helping newcomers get started in online marketing, but I'm also going to help experienced marketers or marketers that have been in for a year or 6 months who are needing more help, helping them to become better marketers. So if you are selling something online that might be a benefit to other people who are already in the online marketing space, and people who are already coming after you, wanting to recruit you into their program, well, don't just close the door on them like I have been for the past couple of years. Patiently listen to them, and you don't have to buy their program. You don't have to promise, yeah, you're going to take a look or you're interested in buying unless you actually are. Just you can politely say no, but you can still ask questions about, what is it? How is it working for you? Are you happy with it? What are some of your reservations about it, if any? Just chat them up in a way that feels normal and natural, and then see, is there a possible way that I can help this person with some product that I'm selling or some free help that I can give, a free training, something like that? And if yes, then go ahead and extend the invitation. But yeah, I am definitely adding that second niche to my online marketing, mojo here. And it already. I mean, I'm getting folks in that are interested in taking a look, seem to be interested, and all you have to do is be asking a few questions and be willing to work with them, rather than just seeing them as a nuisance, an annoyance, and slamming the door. So yeah, that's my new niche. Why I decided to switch it up, because it's so much easier to have people chasing you than it is to have you chasing other people. So just a few of my thoughts. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you all later. Have a great day. And whatever it is that you do, best of luck in your online or home-based business. Take care. Bye-bye.